What's up, y'all? It's your girl Brandy from Stay Snatched, and today I'm going to show you how to make smoked mac and cheese. I know you're going to love this version of my recipe. Let's go ahead and get started. So first I'm going to take 1 pound of pasta. You can use elbows or corkscrew pasta. Cook it in accordance with the package instructions. Then I'm going to take a skillet or saucepan and I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of butter. Once that's melted, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of flour and give everything a nice good stir. This is going to create a roux, which is going to be the base of our cheese sauce for the recipe. Then I'm going to add in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, along with 2 cups of milk. Then I'm going to add in a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a half teaspoon of onion powder, and some salt and pepper to taste and give everything a nice good stir. Then I'm going to add in 3/4 cup of shredded Gouda cheese, 1/2 cup of Gruyere cheese, and 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to give everything a nice good stir. We want that cheese sauce to really thicken up. And you can also add additional cheese here to make it even thicker or to make it creamier or cheesier. Definitely feel free to adjust this any way you like. Then once that cheese sauce is thickened, I'm going to add that to my cooked pasta and give everything a nice good stir. And next I'm going to grab my 12-inch cast iron skillet. You need something large enough. 10 inches is too small. Anything that can go in the oven can go in your smoker. I'm going to make sure that I coat it with some oil, and then I'm adding some of my pasta to the bottom of that dish. And then we're going to layer this up like a lasagna. So I still have 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, 3/4 cup of Gouda cheese, and 1/2 cup of Gruyere cheese. I'm going to start layering that in. And so you don't want to add all of it because, again, we're going to layer this like a lasagna. So I'm going to put a little bit of cheese throughout there. And then I'm going to top that with more of my pasta and cheese sauce mixture. And then I'm going to add the remaining cheese there. Just sprinkle that throughout the top. Then this goes in the smoker on 225 degrees. You want to smoke it for 1 to 2 hours. It takes me 2 hours to get the perfect smoky flavor of this. So I definitely like to go the full 2 hours. And then you can see all of that cheese has melted nicely. Everything looks so gooey. And I like for my mac and cheese to have a nice crunchy top, but a creamy interior. So once this is finished smoking, I like to place it in the oven and I broil it for 3 minutes until it's browned on top. Just like this. Now it's time to serve this. You can see that it's ooey, gooey, cheesy, and absolute perfection.